What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the mass airflow sensor on this 2015 Chevy Silverado. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Disconnect this connector right here. Just pull up on that lock tab right there and then push on the button and pull off that connector. And take these two screws out. I'm going to use a T15. You can also use a socket. You can grab the sensor and just slide it straight up. Take the sensor, it's going to slide in this way, just like that. We'll take the screws and use a T15 driver and just get them started, and then I'll just snug them up. Take the connector, line it up, lock it in, and then push down on the lock.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.